How to delete all voice recordings from Bixby on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we go down and then tap on Advanced Features. After that, tap on Bixby. And from here, tap on Voice Registration. Then tap on Delete all voice recordings. Then tap on Delete. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And that is how you can delete all voice recordings from Bixby on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series.